everyone, I'm Nicola from YHM, the Yoga and Hypnobirthing Midwife, and today we're going to do a meditation for family life. So this might seem like an unusual thing to do, but actually the reason for this is that sometimes we think that to meditate we need a kind of really peaceful, quiet, zen state kind of place, which often if we have families and kids and busy kind of jobs and everything else, don't really have kind of much of that, if any of that actually, in our day-to-day lives. So it's kind of actually we can do meditation even amongst maybe the chaos of family life and the busyness of family life as well. So kind of let go of that kind of perfect quiet environment that we need, and actually we're going to meditate today in any environment, and we're just going to work with it and still do some meditation as well. So it's nice and short, this video, so you can pop, squeeze into your day as you need to as well. So let's begin. So find a comfortable position for you. You can come to the floor cross-legged, you could sit on a chair, you can do this in bed, it doesn't really matter. But just come to a comfortable seated position wherever that may be, and just lengthen up through the spine and release the shoulders away from the ears and bring the palms just to around the knees. Lovely. When you're ready, closing your eyes. Perfect. And first of all, we're just going to bring some awareness to our breath. So again, don't worry if you've got kind of noises in the background, and that's okay, that's part of it. We're purely going to focus our attention on our breath. So noticing the inhale and noticing the exhale. That's it. And naturally your mind will start to wander, thoughts will pop into your head. That's natural, that's normal. Just release the thoughts and just maybe say you'll come back to them later. And when you're ready, bring the focus back on your breath. So again, noticing your inhale and noticing your exhale. And just keep that going. Lovely, well done. So we're going to bring our awareness now to our senses. So we're going to start with our sight. So it might seem like a weird thing to say when you've got your eyes closed. But with your eyes closed, just see what you can see. So maybe it's just complete darkness. Maybe there's some kind of patterns or lights. Maybe you don't feel like you can see anything. That's okay. So we're not judging what we're kind of sensing today. We're just purely noticing it. So keeping the eyes closed, bring in your awareness to your sight. Lovely, well done. And start to deepen the breath now. And any distractions or noises that pop up, that's okay, just work with them. Perfect. So we're next going to switch our attention to our sense of smell. So sometimes this is a harder sense actually for us to detect. If there's not any kind of really prominent smells in the room that we're in, it's going to be a bit harder, but that's okay. So even if you feel like you can't smell anything, that's okay. Just bring your awareness to your sense of smell. Nice deep breathing. And when your mind naturally wanders, just bring it back to my voice and back to your breath. Lovely. Next, we're going to bring our awareness to our hearing. You're just observing what you can hear today, and this might seem like something really chaotic. Maybe this is peace and quiet today. Whatever it is, it's okay. Just purely bring in our awareness to our sense of hearing. Welcoming any noises that we hear. Amazing, well done. Next, we're going to move our awareness to our sense of taste. again, this might not be something really obvious to label, and again, that's okay. It's just purely bringing our focus there. Breathe in nice and deeply. Lovely, well done. And lastly, we're going to bring our awareness to our sense of touch. This might feel like a weird one, but even the points of contact we can feel with our body. So the contact that we have with the ground beneath us, maybe the contact of our hands on our knees. You're noticing what we can feel as well. So maybe the cooler air entering through the nostrils as you inhale, and the warmer air leaving the body as you exhale. Lovely, well done. And just now, releasing that focus and bringing the awareness back to our breath as we inhale and gently exhale. Again, not judging or criticizing. Doesn't matter how many times the mind wanders, it's okay. Just bring your focus back when you feel ready. Lovely. And to end today's session, we're going to end with a gratitude practice. As you next inhale, we're going to feel grateful for the families that we have, for the love that we give and the love that we receive to our loved ones. Inhaling, thinking of that gratitude. And then exhaling, releasing any negativity, any fear, any worries, any stress. Just slowly letting it all go as you exhale. And I'll just repeat that once more. So slowly inhale. Feeling grateful for our families, our loved ones. Then slowly exhaling any negativity, stress or worries. Maybe any criticisms or pressures that we're placing on ourselves, letting all of that go as we exhale. Letting go of what isn't serving us right now, but instead focusing on that gratitude that we have. Lovely, we'll take one more deep breath in. Exhaling through the mouth as slowly as you can. And then slowly and gently opening the eyes. Lovely. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really hope that you found that helpful. And squeezing in those few minutes a day, a couple of times a week, whatever you can do, can really help us just feel a bit more kind of centered, a bit more grounded, as well. It gives a little bit of a refresh. So I hope you enjoyed it, and you can do that anytime. So I often do a bit of a centered meditation when I'm out walking. Sometimes I'll be walking and I've noticed my mind is actually really busy and started, you know, thinking of things 5 years ahead. So actually I bring it back to that focus on the 5 senses, and we can do it anytime, you know, when the kettle's boiling, at work, when we're walking, when we've got kids running around us. You know, we don't need that perfect Zen-like state to meditate. We can do it at any opportunity as well. So leave your feedback, any requests below. Let me know what you thought of today's videos. Subscribe to the YouTube channel if you like it, and give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. And thank you so much for joining me today. Have a lovely, lovely day. Thank you. Namaste.